Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Moringa oil. This natural oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making it excellent for skin and hair. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes, reducing dryness and the appearance of fine lines. The oil also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated skin. Incorporating it into your daily routine is simple and offers many benefits for a healthier, more radiant glow. For skin application, start by cleansing your face thoroughly. Then, dispense just 2 to 3 drops of Moringa oil onto your fingertips. Gently massage the oil into your face and neck using upward motions. This helps with absorption and stimulates circulation. Apply it morning and night for consistent hydration and to see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. To use Moringa oil for hair care, warm a small amount in your hands. Apply it directly to your scalp and work it through the lengths of your hair. Gently massage your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate circulation and nourish the hair follicles. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before shampooing and conditioning as usual. Moringa oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a natural makeup remover, gently dissolving even stubborn cosmetics without harsh chemicals. Try adding a few drops to your bathwater for a luxurious, moisturizing soak that leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and supple. And for other great finds, like those fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep so much easier, be sure to check the description below for links and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.